with Jai from Ask Communication. Now I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add second account to your Google Play Store so you can download apps from different country. If you put one account and it has a particular country while you're traveling, if you want to download another apps from that country, you can't do that. So in this case, you can have two different Google accounts and you can download different app of different countries. So for this case, you have to go to your App Store or Play Store. Here we go. In this case, at the corner, you see account option. Hit this one. You see one account is already connected. I want to connect with another account. Here you have some button. You have to hit this one. You see here you get three options: switch to work profile, add another account, manage account on this device. So second option in this case, add another account. Hit this one. You have to verify your phone in this case. You have to put your email address, the new account you want to connect with. I type my new account that I want to connect with. I hit next button. Now I have to put the password here. After putting password, I hit next button. It's telling me they are sending me some verification code. So I have to verify in this case. If you don't have any verification system at your account, it will be connected directly. So I hit to get verification code. I'm waiting for that. I put verification code. I hit next button here. I agree term and condition in this case. Device service is done. My account is connected, but I still see my old account here. I hit this one. I tap this button. You see my new account available. I hit this one. Accept term and condition. So with this account, now I can download different app of different country. You can switch account to England, to Spain, wherever you are. So this way you can switch your account. You see, I can switch to any of my Google account that is connected. So this is how you can connect your second Google account to your App Store. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.